My name's Trevor Thayer. I'm the Technical Service Manager over here at TurboChef Technologies, and today we're going to show you how to replace the RTD, or the temperature sensor, in the TurboChef bullet oven. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get the top cover off of the TurboChef bullet. It's just 2 Phillips screws, so one on either side. Some of the ovens you'll see out in the field will have a security screw in them. If they do have that, that's going to be a Torx T15 security bit that will be required to get that top cover out. Once both screws are removed, all you have to do is stand behind the unit, grab the top cover, and pull straight back. It should unlock, and then you can lift it from the back and remove the top cover.
Okay, so in this portion, we're going to go ahead and get the relay board removed from the oven. At this point, you want to make sure that the oven has been disconnected from the wall and the capacitors have been confirmed to be discharged. In order to start the process, I'm going to go ahead and start by removing this 10-pin connection here. And then I'm going to remove this 2-pin connection here. And next I'm going to remove this 8-pin connection here. This one can be a little bit more difficult. Now, this is removed and can be pushed away. And then lastly, we're going to do our 12-pin connector. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect that. And now all the connections for your relay board have been removed. Some of the ovens that are out in the field might have a triac board rather than a relay board. They'll have all the same identical connections, but you'll see black triacs on the board rather than relays. In order to remove the relay board or the triac board, you just have to remove all of the screws. So there's going to be one in each corner, and sometimes one in the center. Once the screws have been removed, the board can be removed from the oven. And that will expose our RTD. So this is our RTD, the temperature sensor right here. And in order to remove that, you simply just need to remove the 2 Phillips screws holding it in. Now these screws have been heat cycled a few times, so they might be a little bit rough to get out, but you can do your best to try to get them out. Okay. Once they're removed, the RTD should just slip right out of the oven. Alright, so we can see that we have the 2 screws removed from our RTD here. All you have to do is slip the RTD out. I've already pre-cut this one, but the RTD will go up to the I/O board with these 2 black wires. You just need to cut them with your wire cutters or some side cutters in order to have the RTD removed from the oven. And then to reinstall this RTD or to install a new RTD, it'll be the same process. You'll insert the RTD back in, replace your 2 screws, but you will have a 3-pin Molex connector on the end of these wires when you get your new RTD. That'll need to be cut off, so it looks just like this, and then you'll use butt connectors or wire nuts to place this back onto the connection that you had cut from before.